Biodiversity Conservation and Sustainable Development. I am Kate Khongsai, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Morang College, Manipur. Biodiversity. The term biodiversity is a contraction of the phrase biological diversity. Biodiversity means the richness and variety of life of genes, species, and ecosystem. Biodiversity maintains the health of the earth and its people. It provides us with food and medicine and contributes to our economy. It tells us a lot about the health of the biosphere. The greater the variety of species, the healthier the biosphere. Conservation of biodiversity. Conservation is proper management and use of resources to prevent its over-exploitation and destruction. As human population is growing continuously, the consumption is also increasing. With the increase in industrialization and urbanization of modern society, the use of this biodiversity is increasing day by day. In this biodiversity is not managed properly, there will be a serious scarcity of real species, thus conservation is a must. Sustainability. Sustainable development means development that meets the need of the present without jeopardizing the needs of the future generation. The three pillars of sustainability are: number one, economic development that focuses on utilization of natural resources. Number two is social development that emphasizes on basic needs like food, clothes, water, air, soil, etc. Number three is environmental development that focuses on safe environment for present as well as for the future generation. Methods to enforce for sustainable development: number one is judicious use of resources that are available abundantly and maintain them without depletion and pollution. Number two is restrict the use of endangered species and protect them for sustainable development. Number three, to increase awareness of the concept of sustainable development and ensure people understanding about its full meaning. Sustainability is the ability to maintain ecological processes over long periods of time. Sustainability of an ecosystem is the ability of that ecosystem to maintain its structure and function over time in the face of external stress. It's strongly linked to ecosystem health. The more sustainable an ecosystem is, the healthier it is because it is able to deal with external stress better, that is, limiting factors. The more sustainable an ecosystem is, the better it is for environment and for the people. People use ecosystem as the sources of food, medicine, and economy. Thus, it is everyone's best interest to increase the sustainability of ecosystems. How can we do this? It can be done by recycling, reusing, caring for the environment, planting, etc., taking only the surplus of populations when fishing or hunting, reduce pollution, etc. Illustration is given here, one about the Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake ecosystem is home to a wide variety of fish species. There are many plants and animal species that contribute to the biodiversity. A great variety of genes and species biodiversity in the Loktak Lake ecosystem contributes to its sustainability. The sustainability of this ecosystem is enhanced by its biodiversity. So sustainability of Loktak Lake ecosystem is important because people depend on this ecosystem for food, income, nutrient from plants, land, animals, biochemical cycle. People rely on lake ecosystem for many things such as land and plants for food and revenue, water and landscape for tourism and revenue, fish for food and commercial use, revenue from sales of fish, boats and fishing equipment, and nutrients from biogeochemical cycle. Therefore, biodiversity conservation is a must for sustainable development. We are born choosers, conservation or destruction. I am choosing conservation for our present and future generation. How about you, friend? Thank you.